I have this particular warm memory of Yom Kippur. My parents went to shul. I didn't fast, of course, but my mother used to leave food for me, and so one Yom Kippur, I went home for lunch, and in those days, I mean, kids just we walked by ourselves everywhere. We went on train. My parents sent me. I had one summer month with a family in the country, and my parents just put me on the train and they picked me up at the end. So I came home that Yom Kippur, and in the mail was our visa, which we'd been waiting for. Well, during the war, nobody went anywhere, but my parents had applied in 1938, so this was 46, so a long time to wait. And my mother wanted to see the letter. My father wouldn't look at it. It's Yom Kippur. He wasn't going to have anything to do with with anything as secular as a letter. So that was a very warm memory, which I remember with my mother.